Guys, welcome back to SolidWorks drawing tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how we can make bill of material in SolidWorks drawing and why bill of material is important for the manufacturing. So here we have the assembly. As you can see, it has a different part. The bill of material explains the quantity and items in the assembly. So we are going to make the drawing. From here, go to make drawing from assembly. Select the custom size sheet from here, and after that we will add the basic view, which is right view, and we are going to add the front view as the 3D view. I have explained all these features of SolidWorks drawing in the previous tutorials. I will provide the link in the description. You can watch all the annotations and drawing views from there. So we are going to make it in the larger size. So in the custom size, select use custom scale and decrease the ratio like this and make 3D view from here. So now I am going to add the auto balloon feature to this drawing view. So like this, these all balloons are showing the items, like this is the flywheel, this is crankcase, in this there are crankshaft and pistons. So from here you can change the pattern type according to your drawing sheet size, like this. Select OK. Now I am going to add the bill of material, which will explain the quantity of the parts in this assembly. Go to the tables, select bill of materials from here, and select the drawing view in which you are going to add the bill of material. So I am going to add the bill of material in this drawing view. Select this. So now this is the bill of material property manager. There are different options. You can modify the bill of material accordingly. So these lines are showing the outline of the table, and from here if you want to show just parts or quantity of the part, you can change it from here. So select OK after selecting this drawing view, and now we have created the detailed bill of material using this 3D drawing view. So if you can see that our first part is the base, and in this item number our first part is showing base. If you want some explanation, if you want to explain some part, you can explain to the manufacturer using this description tab. Like if you want to make the tolerance or some other description, you can just double click on this table and table cell, and you can give the description, like I am going to leave it for 3D printing or metal printing, like this. You can easily explain every feature in this table. So this was a simple tutorial on how to create bill of material and how to generate the balloons showing the item numbers or quantity of the assembly parts. So thank you for watching. In the upcoming tutorial we are stepping towards SolidWorks sheet metal. So stay tuned and keep watching out.